Идею недавно увезли вот с этих палаток. Смотри, что творится. Нихуя у нас веселуха сегодня много, пизда ночью. Нихуя въебалась пизда тут.
Recent footage has surfaced online showing the aftermath of an attack by an unidentified unmanned aerial vehicle on a training ground used by Russian occupation forces in Rostov region within Russian territory. The strike, which occurred on November 3rd, was documented by the UAF Geolocate Telegram channel, which published the coordinates and images of the damaged area. According to reports, the drones struck at night, targeting a tent camp near Novocherkassk, about 200 kilometers from the front line. The images reveal several tents burned from the impact, likely due to a warhead carrying submunitions in the form of small pellets, a design that would be particularly effective against personnel. Russian sources have claimed that no individuals were present in the tents at the time of the attack, though these tents reportedly housed conscripts of the 102nd Motorized Rifle Regiment from the 150th Motorized Rifle Division. The UAV strike illustrates the growing capability of the armed forces of Ukraine to engage targets at substantial distances using drones equipped with various warheads, underscoring a significant operational reach in their ongoing conflict. Russian soldier films the aftermath of a powerful strike on a Russian military training camp in the Rostov region on November 3rd. According to the person filming, there were no personnel present at the time of the attack. However, the strike was highly destructive, evident from the extensive damage to tents and other structures.
Вот он, ночной прилет, нахуй. Нихуя въебалась пизда тут просто, вон. Дырки, нахуй. Шары какие-то, я хуй знаю. Хуя это железо так продевает. Человека тут ебать как. Ну пизда у вас. Заебись, людей не было просто. Охуеть. Но она въебала такая, готова до нашего лагеря достала, прикинь, смотри. Идею недавно увезли вот с этих палаток. Смотри, что творится. Нихуя у нас веселуха сегодня много, пизда ночью. Гасились нахуй по блиндажам, по хуежам, смотри, вот палатки живут. Просто пиздец. Хуй знаешь. Нихуя тут просто, что тут ебало, хуй знаешь. Пиздец. Блин, блядь, нахуй, до сих пор горит, да? Блядь, уже давно. Ну, чувствую, такая хуйня. Самые палатки тоже пострадали. Но благо увезли людей, потому что сольщики хули живут. Пизда. Вот этим двум палаткам точно сразу минусы были до нас. Но отлично, эти палатки тоже поразъебал. Этому позаносило тоже. И поразлеталось все нахуй. Блять, вот, видишь, эти внутря тоже позацепило нахуй. Ебанулся нахуй. Хуй его знает, что будет. Ну, это более-менее вроде. Короче, вот такая вот хуйня тут происходит у нас. Вроде в России все спокойно. Хуй там плавал.
In a risky mission, medics from the 63rd Brigade rescued 4 Ukrainian wounded soldiers, one in critical condition. An M113 evacuation vehicle approached the trenches in broad daylight to save their lives. Respect for those units, saving lives. Rescuing wounded soldiers on the front lines carries immense risk, akin to the dangers of ongoing battle operations. Medics and evacuation teams often have to operate under heavy artillery fire, sniper threats, and drone surveillance, making each mission perilous. These teams navigate through hostile terrain, where any moment could bring sudden attacks or ambushes. The act of retrieving and stabilizing the wounded requires immense bravery, as every second spent in the danger zone exposes rescuers and the injured to potential strikes, emphasizing the valor needed for such critical missions. Despite the dangers, these rescue missions are vital for maintaining morale and ensuring soldiers know that no matter what, help is on the way. There's a shortage of police, too. Russia has started bringing in foreign police to monitor migrants. Representative offices of the Ministry of Internal Affairs of Kyrgyzstan have opened in Russia, the employees of which will be engaged in the prevention of crimes among labor migrants from this republic, the portal 66.ru reports. According to it, representative offices have started operating in the largest cities of the country: Moscow, St. Petersburg, Novosibirsk, and Yekaterinburg. The department recalled that about 72,000 citizens of Kyrgyzstan are in Russia illegally. They will provide information interaction in connection with the influx of migrants. Usually, requests to another state take months and sometimes remain unanswered. Here, the situation is simplified. Our police will more quickly find out the whole background of foreign criminals, noted former officer of the Russian Ministry of Internal Affairs Sergei Kolosovsky. Teachers in Russia are making tin-foil hats to protect themselves from external NATO influence. The patriotic initiative, Helmet of the Fatherland, was meant to demonstrate readiness for protection against NATO satellites' radiation. Teachers completed the task and reported on their work with photos and videos. It turned out that the absurd instruction was sent to the teachers by a Belarusian prankster.
Изготовление шапочек из фольги – это не только интересное и творческое занятие, но и важный патриотический акт, символизирующий готовность защищать свою родину от внешних угроз. Пусть наша шапочка станет символом единства и стойкости перед лицом внешних вызовов.
Russians' bank deposits may be frozen to avoid crazy inflation. This was stated by the director of the Institute of Social and Economic Research, Alexei Zubets. According to him, sums exceeding tens of trillions of rubles have accumulated in citizens' accounts. If the interest rate decreases, these funds may be withdrawn en masse, which could cause uncontrolled inflation. To prevent this, a limitation on the amounts available for withdrawal from a bank account is being discussed, Zubets noted. Odessa was under a massive Russian drone attack last night. A residential complex was hit. 1 person died, 13 more injured. 2 of the injured are children. Apartments and vehicles were on fire. Local administration. So many families are left devastated every night by Russia. Fundraiser! We need your support to help us send 200 winter family survival packs to families this December. Gas cooker, quality power bank, and light. Please help us continue our work to alleviate suffering. The link is in the description.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.